Hi everybody, good evening. I'm doing a quick walkthrough to enumeration and brute force. It's an easy room and it's free, so you can access and read all of it. So all about is how to enumerate and how to brute force, mostly login form and a token. Please don't forget to do this because it's very important so you don't have issue connection or something like that. Don't forget, it happened to me too. So of course his introduction, but authentication, you can read. The problem is like a reset password, or for example you try to register with and you tell you user already exists. Basically you can guess, you get a valid list of username that exists. Then the only problem you have is looking for the password, looking for the policy. It's good, so if you are in brute force and you don't get locked yourself. Registration, as I said, the password reset, we have a lab here, so we can do the lab. I'm mostly doing this directly to the lab, so you can read about it. And of course, data breach is when database get things. And verbose error, when you have an error that might, for example, login failure, for instance, distinction between username and for this room in TryHackMe where it's a username is incorrect, so you can guess, you can concentrate getting username first. When you're done, you find the correct username. For example, with hydra you can switch and get a password. So for example, the first question, which this one is usually is the password reset. Most of the time, if it doesn't, we'll have a lab now here, and there what type of error message can unintentionally provide attacker. So is this one, so you can read about it. Now we start in the lab. No, still is some information. The verbose error, of course, database path, all this error that can happen, invalid looking at the SQL injection, transversal LFI, form manipulation, fuzzing. That's how we name it. User explode the verbose. And now let's start the lab. The labs will do it in three ways. I'm running, we'll use burp suite through my computer to do different tools. So we also use I'm using what's this one. Okay, when you start it, it will tell you that SSL things. You save it. Okay, after you saving it, then you go to your Firefox and you say setting. Of course, we look for certification. You view cert, then import the one that we just saved now, the OSINT, and you say trust this cert. I'm trying to make different tools for this page, so we're done with this. Where is it? Okay, close, start. So we have those up. The first lab we're doing is what? The first lab. Oh, the verbose login. The verbose login one. The verbose login. So the verbose login, it gives you, for example, when you input an invalid email, the website will respond to email doesn't not exist. Let's try it. Yeah, we can try in my computer. Let's try this. So jail@local.com, testing. What you say? Email doesn't exist, and then we can see if you keep guessing, you get the correct list of emails. What I'm confused now. This is my computer. Oh yes, that's together my computers. So basically now if we have a list of emails, we can brute force and find the correct email. And then they give us this script. So basically it's a Python script. Say you should look for he's connecting to the verbose login page. Where he checked email, password, login, and then you have like print valid, response, check email. Email doesn't need to exist, so he knows here where the email doesn't exist. Okay, they give us they said a list of emails we can use. What am I confused now? Oh, this is no, don't update. I got the list of usernames, so this is the emails that the Docker repository. You can download it. And then I already have the script here next to me. That's the script they're talking about. So basically, how is they said around Python 3.0, always like a latest in this attack box. And then I think you just give it the email. You give it to rename it directly. He will run, tell you invalid, and then he will tell you. So it's nice. But I always notice something in this location for the login function header. Okay. And of course we get the correct email. This one, the first one, is a bit straightforward. So they give us. It's good to start learning these things. I'm learning with ChatGPT, my friend, trying to get better on it. So this one is straight because you already give you the message error. I said there was a room in TryHackMe, but in that time we use Hydra, so it should be Hydra can do this. If you give him a list, I think I didn't try it, but let's try now this one. Reset the password. Yeah, okay, so they give us the source code of the function. Basically, it changes a random number from 100 to 100, and then send it email with a token. And then of course they tell us here, assuming that this is the token. So basically assuming this is the telco invalid token. So basically this click here. And then, for example, let's try to. He said, "What's the password? What the email we're trying to test? admin@admin.com." Admin@admin.com. Admin@admin.com. Let's start it with burp. So we request. First, you request you need to request first, and then what we have this. Let me add my add-on. I put this add-on. So let me intercept the request. This one with burp. Let me. Okay, I got it. Sent to intruder. Let me stop you. Now where is intruder? Intruder. So we have it. So basically we're iterating through in the room they use this crunch to generate a list of password. I'm not doing with this one. Let's do it straight here. So you can add this. If I can go to payload, I just say numbers, and I can just say, because you say 100 from 100 to 200, step 1 number, straightforward. So we have 100 to 200. So let's start the attack. Okay, this is the attack for that. Or we can go here and use our friend Zap. We can do the same things. Where is that? So this one, let him finish. Zap, because it doesn't have a limitation like the other one. So basically, it will let the proxy refresh. So we are in Zap now. You can see the request that we got it. Labs. Oh wait, it should be here somewhere. No, not this one. Where are you? Reset. Yeah. And then in Zap we just select that. He said fuzz. and then it's payload. Now how to do the payload? We can do that. We can just use regex, and let's say what's that regex, so I don't forget. It is this one. This one you can use it in general, because remember they said in this room they did 100 to 200. It's easy, but the question is if the pin can be this too, 001 0 2 3, so it's not like always numbers, they can be 0 left side. So you can use this regex to generate regex number preview. Oh, I forgot the opening. If I generate the preview, you can see 001 in case you do in general pin and it goes down to 200. If I say add, okay, start fuzzing, it's 100% is finished. If you go to size, which one is the bigger one? 730. Let's see in the top. Size body. Why you couldn't find it? That's interesting. What's the response here? Invalid token. 730, all of them. How are you, my friend? You know what happened? If one found it, it reset. I forgot about this issue. So it means burp already found it. No, burp didn't find it. So why the other one couldn't find it? Did I missing something? No, the request is sending correctly. Token. Oh, we didn't get the old token. No, 21, 25. Should find it. What's going on? Otherwise pep is already found it. Let's see, length 127 is not, because you get here invalid token, so it should be more bigger. Because when you reset the password, token generated and give you, so not because we are running both of them. Where did I request invalid token? Let's see. This one is finished, but so we need to send the request again or something. Okay, let's do this. Forgot the password. admin@admin.com. That's the correct email they're using it. So, oops, sorry. Disable. What's wrong with you? The proxy is off. What's going on? No, not HTTPS. Because when you do the other one, so email is admin@admin.com. Image was sent. So let's start one by one. Let's not do them together. clear. Let's fuzz this one. Payload, add. Let's use but we can use numbers, but we can define, yeah, we can use number because we're only looking for 100 to 200. So this one 200. Step 1, remember this one is only if you want to have a generalization, so it's not a preview. So we already have the numbers. Add. Okay, start fuzzing. 100% finish. Let's see this time if this time we have any 89. What we have here? Response. Oh, they give us your new password is this. Okay, fine. Now let me go to redo it in what's this one? Forgot the password. Now let me show you something else. We can do forgot the password again, admin, and I can have another script here called no, this is the authentication one. This is the token one. Like for example, you can generate a 3-digit token or 4 or 5, depend where you want it. So we can play with it with 3. So you generate. I'll put this script. So now let's see if this one can find. What's the name of this one? Let's pin. Let's try this script. 3.9 pin.py 0.8. Okay, we got it quicker. That's the password and that's the email. So we have this one, we found it. We have Zap found it. Now let's see admin. At admin.com. Burp, I think we did a mistake when we start to attack. Let him now. Okay, let's start and let him play around because he's slow. Now the next one is after we finish this one, we didn't do the login. We log just now. I don't want to is resetting the password. Let's no, we can log in, so let's log in later on. Let's finish. This one is authentication. So this one basically is a basic authentication, http that use basic64 where username is like this, password is a basic type of authentication. You have this process how to do it. They give us a list of password, 500 with password, then we have it's in our compute. Now the lab you can follow or we can start it now. Let's this one we use it straight here. Let's first of all go to where we need it. This is the list of the password. This is the emails. So we go into authentication and we have this, so it gives us this. So let's go back to our Zap. So we're using Zap 2 for this. Let's clear now let's say I get admin whatever password I put in. So let's see if pick it up from that side in Zap. What, he couldn't find it. Why is Zap he couldn't he can see it or what? Okay, no, so let's sign in. Wrong. History. Okay, what this is predict authentication. That is this one, authentication unauthorized. That's a response, a request, and you can, where is it? You can see the request here in no, that's SS. Where is, not that one, basic authentic. What the hell is this? Let me see. What did he connect? Encode decode. It's only 2 point. Why is not sending the whole request? Admin password send. Okay, let's see, where are you? So if I do this, I can say encode decode, and then if it decode, it's basics for URL, password, admin password, admin password. So we know it's a base 64. So we can fuzz it. We can add a payload. We have the payload of we need a file for the password. What we have, we select our password file. It's in where is that user src, no, user share. Then we have where is word list, words list, and then we have that's and we have password, then we have common credential, and then what the 500 OS password. So we have this one, we can add. Remember now, we can add, now need to process it. No, not yeah, the process, yeah. I need to add the prefix. Remember we said admin, that's password, preview generated, so you can see what we have. So we add, okay, and then process, I forgot. Then we can add another one, base 64. Here we don't need, like I'm not sure why burp we need to remove. Base 64 encode, and then we have it. So now start fuzzing. He got it. So let's say click there so you can see why this one is 20 byte. What happened here? Oh, we got the flag. So this one is too quick. So we know the flag for this one. Now let's try something else. Did our friend there finish? Okay, he got the password, so we know the... No, he didn't. A response. Email password. Oh, the password keep changing, huh? It's not the same as the other one. So if I go now, login, password, admin@admin.com, and we got the answer for this one. Now we can try we can try this one to show you how it works. What happened? We can go proxy. We can do now the same things we did with this authentic base no this one we can use let's see, admin test show you. Also we can use burp for it. It takes longer to do it, so let's see if we got anything. No, what why is not getting anything now? HTTP history. This is a reset password. Why am I not picking up this? Mr. Burp, now what's going on? Why is not interrupts? No, hold on a minute. Let's do it in the in this one. Let's close this one. We're done with this. We know it's working. I don't know why I'm getting problematic now. Also there is another way to solve it. Basic authentication. Yeah, this is another Python script that can do the job. Let's test it. What I called it? No, not script, pin authentication. So if I run that authentication script to he get password called yellow, so it's admin yellow, same as burp. Let's do this quickly here. Proxy is on. Okay, got it. Send it to intruder. If I come here to intruder, of course we can just do this, add payload. I need to get simple list and just load it. I need to load it from, like we did before, from where is user? USR share W word list, password, common credential, and then the 500 was password. And then of course I need to add the processing, so I need to add the prefix, which is admin and then things, and then I need to add another one is base64 encode, basics for encode. Hello. And then we need to remove the, because base64 use padding equals sign, so we're done. Of course this one it will take time to finish it, but we can let it play. So we have a Python script that found it quickly. We have zap also found it quickly, but because the free version will take time. And then there is our friend, our old friend, don't forget hydra. Hydra syntax is straightforward in this type of authentication. Basically you set him L username is admin, you set a password which is the list what we have, and then you just need some domain name, and then it use http get, and then you tell him the endpoint, and if you tell him that, is automatically get like admin yellow, so it doesn't take long to solve the problem. We can test it here, admin and yellow, and we have it. That's the same what we got with that. So this is the 3 rooms, key 7 of 499. What error you got? Not HTTPS. What's going on with the I think when you switch between when you use OWASP-ZAP, he always liked HTTPS, so this one you need to fix it. So now let's start it again. Status 401. Yeah, I think 401 unauthorized, so it's correct. But you can see how slow it is, and you need to find the password yellow. I don't know where is it, so it must be some kind in the bottom. Where is that password list? Yellow shows. It's like the TryHackMe, they made sure that you need to wait for it. Where is yellow? So number 88. So you should if you start from the top, you should find it quickly. 39. What, guys, should we stop? Should we stop or should continue? That's why 499 to finish all of them. But in any case, that's how you do it in this one. You have hydra, and we did zap, so we got all of them correctly. So I think we cool in this room. So the part of OSINT. Yeah, OSINT didn't give us too much detail. If you have an archive network, if you're familiar with its wayback machine, the good part of it, they give us this little wayback URL. So why we don't use it? Let's see how. Is it too much to work on it, or I didn't thought about it, but let's get it. Oh, it's fast. Oh, you need to opt-in style, Golang Go. It's optional. Go build. I think Go is already in the attack box. Let's see if it's there. Aye. Apt install golang-go. It might take time, I'm not sure. Let's see what 88, we said it's in 89, that yellow things. 88. Let's see if it's if you're starting from the top, we should find it. Let's see our friend here, what up, 3%. I'm not sure if I'll wait for it. But basically that's it. So you can use it a command line, go build and then you can run it, for example, on TryHackMe, and it try to give you the past. Google Doc also, like for example, site name, try to search things like that. Yeah, basically it's a cool. That main of room is, yeah. Let's try it. Let's try it in TryHackMe. Why not? Let's see if it does work. No, we didn't build it yet. Go build. Oh, we should. What exactly we download? Way. Go build. Wait, build already. tryhackme.com. Let's see. Now did you got the 88 or not? We got it, so it's 88. We correct. So he got the password, so we got it, all of them. And this is what TryHackMe, the Go language, was able to get Wayback Machine. Yeah, so guys, I just want to make sure that, because sometimes when you have a bigger list, this one burp take long to finish, so don't forget to use not Wireshark, others, the Zap machine. This is another one, I forgot what his name is, where it starts getting more attraction, similar to burp, I forgot, but it's well known. In any case guys, thank you very much, and I hope it helped, and have a good day. Thank you.